What am I supposed to say?
This is the best way.
This is the best way. I'm gonna show you how to cook the best steak. The perfect way?
So, okay,
The best way to sear a steak.
what is this? Let's show us.
I'm gonna show you the best way to cook a steak. That's exactly what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
All right. My name's Chris Shepard from Underbelly Hospitality in Houston, Texas, and I'm gonna show you how to cook the best way to cook me. Can I get some coffee? What I like to do is when we have a nice thick cut like this, ribeye, I want to go ahead and temper it. Just leave it out on your counter, pull it out of your fridge, put it on a plate, let it sit. My personal opinion is to season really aggressively. Salt, both sides. People tend to think that if you pepper your steak, then the pepper starts to turn bitter as you're searing at high heat. I just don't believe that to be a true statement. Let it sit for just a second. Not too long. I'm gonna take a clove of garlic, put your big bear paws on it, and just smash it. Now I like to leave the skin on because as we start to cook this with the steak, we can just pop this out and you have a little bit of roasted garlic with your steak. I'm gonna bring some thyme sprigs over, but we wanna make sure our pan's pretty hot, right? Not pretty hot, but really, really pretty hot. You wanna take this, and when you place it in the pan, place it away from you. We're just gonna let it sit now. And you just don't fiddle with it. Not yet. So this is how we're gonna do this, because it is the best way. Because what we're doing is we're letting that crust start to form and become beautiful. I'm gonna take this now. See that crust? That's what we're looking for. You should probably turn on your hood vent, because it's gonna smoke. You set the smoke alarm off? All right, you're doing it good. I know it seems like a lot of butter. It is. That's all right. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pan, we wanna pull it back away from the fire just a tad. You just wanna start to baste. And you're just developing that crust that you want. And what's happening at this point is you're getting all these flavors of this thyme, this garlic. See, we're almost done. That's the beauty of this. To me, it's the best way. So what I'm looking for is just the doneness. If it gives a little bit, you're still good. At this point, you have worked these proteins so hard that you need to let this rest. Because it is the best way. Insider tip, the best part of this steak is this right here. So if I am gonna have dinner with you, you can guarantee I'm going for this first. That's how it works. So, perfect. I don't need to season it again. I don't need to do anything to it. I just need to eat it. That's how this is gonna work. I'm gonna take that little piece that I talked about, the spinalis, which is my favorite. That's the best way to cook a steak. No questions asked. The only way. That's good.